Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Esther's Kitchen Adventure. I hope you're all having an amazing day because today we'll be diving into something super fresh and healthy. I am Esther and I am so excited to show you how to make 6 delicious and vibrant fruit juice that are not only tasty but also great for your health. We are talking about carrot, orange, apple, cucumber, honeydew, melon and pineapple.
Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole.
Alright, let's jump right in. First, we are starting with a refreshing mix of cucumber, orange and carrot. Just pop them into your juicer. This combo is super hydrating and packed with vitamins. Pro tips: add a little ginger if you want a spicy twist.
Moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wonder. That's what me say. She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover. Hot and cold, you be begging her please no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got you own, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on. To my gypsy girl, something to myself. Be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick.
Next up is carrot and honeydew melon. These two naturally sweet flavors blend perfectly. No sugar needed, but if you're craving a bit more sweetness, a drizzle of honey will do the trick.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
Now we have pineapple and apple. This two is seriously a match made in juice heaven. Sweet, tangy, and also good for you.
Young buds, baby. I see her.
How about pineapple and carrot? This combo is like a tropical sunshine in a glass. Trust me, it tastes heavenly. Here is a juicy blend of honeydew, melon, carrot, and apple. It is super refreshing and perfect for any time of the day. And for the grand finale, we are missing 5 fruits: honeydew, melon, carrot, apple, orange, and pineapple. This powerhouse juice is bursting with flavor and nutrients. You are going to love it. So there you have it, 6 amazing healthy juice recipe to boost your day and keep you feeling great. If you try this out, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click on the notification button for more videos. Bye.